options actually.
You need it later?
No, we have one over here. Get your bacon, sweetheart. I'm going to clean the flat top, and then we're going to go ahead and do something up front.
Topping these pecans, I can put it up and use the board for something else.
So of course this will be served on noodles, but this is a ramen broth. Would you like to take a?
Yeah, I'll take a sample of that. Oh man,
How do you like it?
it's good. It's just a little hot. I was gonna
Tell you how warm it was, yeah.
I was gonna kick it back, but it's hot. But it's
super
good.
hot,
It's
super
really
hot.
good.
We also have. I really wish I had the curry out so you could try the curry. The curry is my grandmother's. That's her staple recipe. You know, we also have scones and so forth.
There we go.
Gyoza and so forth.
That's awesome.
Yeah, a lot of specialty items. But the theme, of course, is retro theme. Basically, the whole theme of it, what I want to do, I'm a multicultural kid. I'm Japanese, Native American, Hawaiian, and American. And basically what I wanted to do was...
Welcome to the Champions Playbook Business Consulting Firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. Just go to thechampionsplaybooktcp.com and download our secret sales growth guide S to immediately lay the foundation to multiply the sales for your business.
I served my grandmother's food in an environment that I grew up in that's nostalgic, that I think everybody can connect with. And basically that's the whole mission statement of Kyoko's Kitchen. We say better food with better times. So,
All right.
but yeah, we have Nintendo Power theme. We have some Legend of Zelda stuff, Mario stuff, just pretty much all the staples that I think every American growing up in the 80s, 90s had, and the Japanese and Hawaiian food. And that's basically what our concept is and our staple is. So,
Right.
And so we have our, these were shown in like Nintendo Power magazines in the 80s, and basically my wife thought it was a good idea to kind of just cut them out and frame them to bring a little bit of nostalgia to everybody who walks in. We just want basically to sort of be a little bit of a time capsule, so when somebody walks in, they can kind of be drawn in by the retro sign that's 8-bit. My wife basically made it from scratch, and it went from something on a piece of paper and on a computer program to being painted on our island to being our sign up front. And yeah, we even have, we don't really believe in boundaries. We have Star Trek stuff next to Mike Tyson because they're both iconic. They're both great in their own ways.
Absolutely. It's incredible. And I see the Pokemon on the wall.
Yeah.
You know, the Pokemon is powerful. I grew up on that.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's just one of those things that when you see it, especially when it's authentic.
So these are real cards?
These are all real cards.
Wow.
Those are all authentic. I mean, these are just the foils. They're not unopened. It's just the original foil that's been opened.
Yeah.
But these are original. Everything's original. It's just not sealed packs. The original Game Boy.
Wow.
Original Mario 3. The old Nintendo with Zelda, Super Nintendo, Metroid, and you know, we'd love to add more to the store if we get a lot of guests who come in and are like, oh, you know, I grew up watching this or I grew up watching that.
Right.
We want to be able to
Bring it all together.
Yes, sir. Oh, for us? Thank you. You can drink the wine if you want. This is beautiful. We'll hang it up. We'll hang it up. You really like? She liked the crepes. And this is actually our first guest who came in. He came in today. His name's Paco. He ordered some strawberry cream crepes.
All right.
And what did you like thinking of the crepes? Were they good?
So,
She love it, buddy.
Kyoko's Kitchen.
Thank you.
All right. We're going to be doing the grand opening
Right?
like this coming week. Right. In October 2022.
Yo vendo esto, pero
So shout them out. They're doing incredible things with their business. Are you ever in the Lancaster area? Make sure to come check this out. We'll do another full tour
Thank you so much.
near future. definitely check them out. They're doing incredible things. For sure.
Let me check right now.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.